Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create the trending dark soul art effect, a dramatic and emotional AI photo styles that's all over social media right now. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Gemini Nano. It's no editing apps or Photoshops needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then next just log in using your Google account and then just tap on create image to activate the Nano, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google News AI tool that lets you edit or generate images instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just choose a picture where your face or pose has a clear image because it will help the AI create the new image. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next let's type a prompt. It's time to write the prompt. Before I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt. You can just copy it exactly like this. Just screenshot it and then use Google Lens. Just copy it and then paste it on your prompt box on Gemini. But feel free if you want to tweak it as you like, maybe uh, change the details to match your styles. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then I will go back to Gemini and then I will just paste it the prompt and then just generate. And okay, like this. In just a few seconds, your image is ready. And then just look at this photo, the texture, the lighting, and then that mysterious as effect. It's so cinematic, right? Just try with different photos or prompts to create your own variations. Maybe like change it to gold dust or mist or maybe flame particles. Just be creative to your prompt. And okay, so that's how you can make the trending dark soul art photo using Gemini Nano. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!